everyone, welcome to day 23 of Vlogmas. It is fucking cold out there, excuse my language, but it is fucking cold. It is nasty out there, windy, snowy, icy. Excuse me for 1 second, I was put it down. It is nasty out there. But I thought I'd come get the vlog started for the day. I apologize to have the TV going on in the background. I'm just about to make myself something to eat, something hot, because I'm freezing. But yeah, so I thought I'd get the vlog started now. I'm going to eat and I'll see you guys afterwards. So this is currently the situation right now. And I apologize right now if I'm breathing heavy like a freaking Michael Myers over here, but it is just coming, it is blowing. So this is what we're dealing with right now in Canada. Hey everyone, now it is a little bit later. I had a shower, been doing laundry nonstop. That is why I haven't really been vlogging much. But I've been trying to get laundry done. Still going with that. But I did have a shower, and luckily we did not lose power because some areas were actually losing power. And so, yeah, thought I'd come give you guys an update of what was going on. The storm is still going, but the snow has completely stopped for now. So yeah, that's kind of what's happened. The snow has stopped, but the wind is still pretty going out there. Yeah, hopefully it dies down by tomorrow. We're just taking it day by day. And I think we're gonna go watch a Christmas movie and also work on my elf puzzle I have as well started. So I'm gonna go do that for a bit, and I'll see you guys very, very shortly. Hey everyone, it is a little bit later now. I have actually just finished my book. So I want to get that completely done. But it is still pretty much blizzarding outside. But I did do a little bit more of my puzzle. So I got that a little bit more done as we're watching a movie tonight, a Christmas movie. So yeah, I thought I'd come and end the vlog for today. And, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys did, please make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any future videos. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the very last Vlogmas video tomorrow. So, I'll see you guys in the very last Vlogmas video, which is December 24th, which is really exciting.